Hi, it's Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for EC&M magazine here. In this video I'll be taking a look at the way this box is being supported. And if you look close, you'll see it's just being supported by one EMT running to the bottom of it, and there's some flexible metal conduit coming out of the back. But this is not properly supported. EMT is not permitted to support boxes, and that's according to section 358.12 number 2. And on the other side you'll see there's a missing knockout seal on this box, and that's going to be a violation of section 110.12a. Openings and enclosures have to be closed in a way that affords equivalent protection that the wall provides. So we have a couple violations here: improperly supported box and a missing knockout seal.